Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I've got my hands on a stylish and practical accessory that's been gaining popularity, the chest bag fashion new solid color men chest bag. Let's dive in and see what makes this bag stand out. First up, the design. The bag's solid color design is both simple and elegant, making it a versatile piece that can easily complement various outfits. Whether you're dressing up for a business occasion or heading out for a casual day, this bag fits the bill perfectly. The material is another highlight. Made from durable nylon, this chest bag is not only soft to the touch but also built to withstand daily wear and tear. It's waterproof and wear-resistant, so you can carry it with confidence, knowing your essentials are protected. One of the best features of this chest bag is its one-shoulder crossbody design. This allows for easy access to your belongings while keeping your hands free, perfect for those who are always on the go. The bag's dimensions, 17 centimeters wide, 30 centimeters high, and 5.5 centimeters thick, make it compact yet spacious enough to hold your essentials without feeling bulky. Inside, you'll find an interior slot pocket that's great for securing smaller valuables like your phone, wallet, or keys. This added pocket is a nice touch for those who want a bit of extra organization. User experience. Now, let's talk about what other users are saying. One user mentioned that they were pleasantly surprised by the quality, describing the material as durable and not cheap, which is a great plus considering its affordable price. They also appreciated the bag's practicality and found it to be a true value for the money. Another user echoed similar sentiments, noting that the bag is not only durable but also looks exactly like the pictures, wide and spacious, making it suitable for both daily use and travel. They even went so far as to recommend it to others, which says a lot about the bag's overall appeal. In conclusion, the chest bag fashion new solid color men chest bag is a stylish, functional, and affordable option for anyone in need of a reliable everyday bag. Its durable nylon construction, thoughtful design, and positive user feedback make it a strong contender in the market. Whether you're using it for business or casual outings, this chest bag is sure to meet your needs. If you're looking for a chest bag that combines style and practicality without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about this bag or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay stylish.